Hi everyone, welcome back. Are you here to find out about the one van life accessory for $10 that you didn't know you needed? Of course you are, otherwise you wouldn't be here watching this. So this is them. These glue pads are everything you need but didn't know you needed. You can find them on Amazon for $10 for a set of 10. This is how they work. They are glue pads. This is what it looks like. It's just a square of, I don't know, glue. Has these two little plastic things on either side, and this stuff is very, very sticky. So, what I like about it is one of these squares can hold up to 5 pounds. So, one of these squares is actually enough to hold my Jackery down on my table without it moving ever, even when I'm driving. The original reason I found these glue pads was because I needed something to hold my dog's water bowl in place while I was driving. So that's my first use for them. So I have a gel pad on the bottom of this bowl, and it doesn't move when I'm driving. So this gel pad I have had on this bowl for quite a while for experimental purposes. As you can see, it's dirty. It has lots of hair and gunk and stuff in it. The edges are kind of rolled up on it, but it still works. So that just proves that despite junk and stuff getting on the glue pads, they still work. You can cut them up with, I've cut them up with scissors. Just make sure that when you do cut them, you leave the plastic on while you cut it so you can cut them down smaller. I use gel pads to keep my desk organizer on my van so that doesn't move. I have one on my air conditioner. I've used these gel pads to actually attach my phone to my dash before. I've used them to kill a fly in my van. I mean, there are so many different uses. So this says like hooks, iPads, yeah, cell phone tools. So lots of different uses for these in your van. Like I said, set of 10 for $10 on Amazon. Of course, I'll put the link in the description. You absolutely need these and you didn't know it, but now you know it. So go purchase these. You can thank me later. See you guys on the next video. Make sure you share this with your friends. They'll probably find it helpful. See you guys.